Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a Thursday edition of any weather worries that we may have ahead of us looking forward through the next week to 10 days. And right now we're getting a break from this big upper level ridge as temperatures not as hot today. We will start another warming trend, however, as we head into the weekend. The good news is temperatures, even though we'll be in the upper 90s, the humidity will be relatively basically manageable. That means that we shouldn't have any issues with the heat index, as it should remain below 105. As we move into next week, notice this big upper level low over southeastern Canada. It's going to skirt across the Great Lakes and basically send a surge of cooler air southward. As that moves in, we will see a possibility for some scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially Tuesday night and Wednesday of next week. And it does appear as if we will see perhaps another impulse, give us another shot for some showers and thunderstorms late next week, say on Friday. Now, obviously, anytime we have thunderstorms, gusty winds could be an issue, but we're not looking at much of any widespread severe weather risk. The way things are looking right now is the upper level winds should be relatively weak. And as we move basically into next weekend, that ridge will remain to the south of us, so temperatures should remain a little bit below normal as we go through next weekend. Main thing we may have to watch will be the potential for some heavy rain, especially over the northwestern edge of the area. The blend of models basically from now through next weekend shows 2 to upwards of 4 inches of rain will be possible, especially across McCurtain County. Amounts drop off as you look to the south and east, with amounts half an inch to an inch over deep East Texas and northwest Louisiana. In the tropics, Hurricane Erin is now moving away from the U.S. coast, and it is going to accelerate to the northeast and rapidly move across the northern Atlantic. You can see it will eventually lose its tropical characteristics, but what's left of Erin could settle up close to Iceland and Great Britain here by the time we get to the middle part of next week. In the wake of Erin, we have a couple of disturbances the Hurricane Center keeping an eye on. We have one with a likelihood of it developing at least into a depression. It probably would stay to the east of the U.S. coast. Another one to the northeast of that, not too worried about. There's another one further to the east, which has a very narrow window of opportunity. And even if it does develop, it is likely not going to influence us here in the ArkLaTex or anywhere in the U.S. So given the lack of tropical worries and the fact that severe weather are looking minimal through the next 10 days, keep the weather worry index at 2 out of 10, as any rain we get will be welcome given how dry it's been here recently. So here's a look at your 10-day forecast, and you can see the heat returning upper 90s by the end of the weekend, but we cool down again for most of next week with highs settling into the upper 80s to lower 90s, lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s. And again, our best rainfall chances on Wednesday and Friday, when we could have a few thunderstorms, although as of right now, severe weather is not expected.